Hello, guys. Hello, viewers. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And let us talk about important matters in the nation of Zimbabwe. A lot is happening, and at this moment in time, there is a very important issue. Team Triple C has actually started moving across Zimbabwe, starting with Manicaland. And it's very important in Zimbabwe to note that always, Nelson Chamisa will never die. One man you do not expect to see getting tired, Advocate Nelson Chamisa. That man is a pioneer when it comes to mobilization, when it comes to issues of politics and persistence. This man will never get tired. Let me take you through this announcement from Gift Ostalos Ziba because it's very important and it gives us a guide on where we are actually going as a nation. So Ostalos said, building from the rubble, we have landed in Manicaland province as we set the tone and the direction towards the new. So this is what Gift Ostalos Ziba said, and is actually meaning it because President Nelson Chamisa announced that he is taking action, and we believe that he does have a plan, a solid plan. The reason why you see ZANU-PF being scared is because they know for sure that this man is not someone to joke with or to play with. That is the reason why you see these people are having sleepless nights wherever they go. And it's very, very, very important to actually know that we have a leader in Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Hansi panapa building yacho yave ne-20 years isingadarike window level. I don't know which 20 years Six Papi is referring to. Triple C is simply 2 years old, and President Nelson Chamisa is set to start another. And even though he has been there, he was not the man who was in charge all the years back. He started to be in charge recently. And this is according to my own statistics and my own views. President Nelson Chamisa did well because during this short period he has been in charge and giving the nation direction. You have seen a lot of changes. You have seen new things happening, and a lot of people will never understand the reason why I always have faith in President Nelson Chamisa is because this is the man who deserve to be supported, and this is the man who deserve our prayers. He has been building, and detractors have been actually throwing away what he has been putting in place. These are the Sanballats and the Tobias who were fighting Nelson Chamisa from within. And now that they are known, we now have direction as a country. We now know what needs to be done, where and when. That is very, very important. The biggest political capital is knowing who you are working with, and trust is something which is very important because when you don't trust each other, it means you cannot work together very well. And the struggle is not a walk in the park, neither is it a one-day wonder. Read upon your history. I understand we all want change yesterday. We have lost relatives, friends, and fighters, but we have to march on until victory. It's true. There is a lot. There is a lot. Comrade, we need to unite as all opposition supporters and Vanum Road. It's time for a revolution now, not just gatherings. We need to engage with our oppressors head on. Time for conversation is over. The problem with these guys who will be actually saying Vanum Road, Vanum Road, Vanum Road, these are people who are saying Vanum Road without being on the ground. That is the problem I always have with these people who want to lead Vanum Road. That is the biggest challenge we have. So we need those people who are saying Vanum Road, Vanum Road, Vanum Road to be visibly present in Zimbabwe. And it so that we know that yes, Murero Vanum Road. Not kuti if you check that person is in South Africa or is in UK and will be saying Vanum Road. Because the unit is key. It remains the only buffer against perennial intrusion and political decay. So unity is very important. We need to unite, but who must unite? That is a very important question. So when we are talking about unity, let us not talk about unity with people who have been destroying the movement several times because they will never change. They will continue to spite you, no matter how you try to be nice to them, no matter how you try to uh, build with them, they will always destroy. There was no reason whatsoever for this team to actually fight President Chamisa. And stay away from these sellouts, and these are very important people vakaiswa panapa in terms of selling out. They are sellout VIPs. We have Wende, we have Mafume Chingono, we have Jonzo, we have Pugeni, we have Nube, we have BT, we have Shavangu. Honestly, personally, andingamboshande nevanhu vakadai so, no matter the circumstances, because these people are clearly against the citizens of Zimbabwe. It's either they know everything, or it's either they are bashing the opposition left, right, and center. And whatever, whenever you see ZANU-PF people clapping hands for some people, then know kuti zvinhu zvinomira zvakanaka. Zvikanzi vhangeri ngariende tinosvika chete. Zvikanzi another moment of wasting people's time, 3 colors in 6 years. Okay, ndozvinoita team revarakashi, they always come to say nonsense. But what I know, probably know, is that hapana musi usingasvike. That I know kuti hapana musi usingasvike, and the word of God shall never be wasted. And sometimes there are things which we get revelation of, but not get understanding of. So sometimes we wait for us to understand those things. Since we get revelation, we continue praying so that we can get understanding, proper understanding of some things. Good, okay, what does that mean? And that will make you stand guided. That is the reason why I do not lose hope, because I know for sure that what is revealed upon us is going to happen in the nation of Zimbabwe. There is a lot which has been revealed to the people of Zimbabwe, which is very important. You can say, let's go Hama, Kenan Tinoshika. So let me show you these pictures, because before I end this program, these are the pictures. This is Amos Chibaya, and the color blue is now trending everywhere you go. This is blue, everybody. Nema Zambia. Timratu Nema Zambia, a blue, and everything is perfect. So it is what it is in Zimbabwe. President Nelson Chamisa has not announced any new political party as of now, but there is a great possibility Ekuti, you will see a new political party emerging. And as I always say, when you see a new political party coming, just know that something is about to happen, and brace up for change in the nation of Zimbabwe. So this period we are in, Team Zimbabwe, let the politicians do the politics. Iwewe neni, let us prepare for change, because that change, it must find you and me prepared and ready to actually take over. So that is what is very important. That is the most important ingredient. Let us continue to focus, and let us continue to fight.